My name is Volley, and I am the director of VIKASO. We're a robotics business based in Buckinghamshire, and we've been based here for about 5 years. We always promote ourselves as technology specialists, so we see opportunities in every single manufacturing division, such as automotive, aerospace, plastics, food and beverages, so on and so forth. Labour shortages are obviously quite a big challenge across Europe, particularly the UK, and we've seen a rapid growth in demand in robotics. We've actually been engaging with BBF since 2020 when we first started, and the support that we have received from them has been very valuable. We were fortunate enough in winning Buckinghamshire Business First Award about 4 years ago as a new business. And since then, we've continued our engagement with them. Some of our team members, Sarah has been to some masterclasses. I've been to one for the finance masterclass, and they're very approachable, very friendly team, very helpful.
My name is Sarah Whitmore and I am the business manager here at VIKASO. I would recommend anyone to get involved with Bucks Business First. I think the growth program that they offer is incredible. There is so much available. With the Raising Finance workshop that I went on, it was sort of filling in the gaps for me. There were things generally that I knew, but having just a deeper understanding, learning about who exactly was available to help within Buckinghamshire, what sort of finance would apply to different areas of the business, and actually kind of a process of how we went about it. I have learnt so much and made some really good connections, and just things that I can immediately apply to here in the business has been incredible.
What BBF is really about, where the biggest value for us is the network, the support network, the people you meet, the people who've been through the similar challenges that you're going through, and learning from other people's experiences. And I think BBF is a fantastic platform, so I would certainly recommend any business owner to look into it.